In this video, we're going to show you how to install the AC control valve in your Ford 500 located on the backside of your AC compressor. On the backside of the AC compressor, you're going to find this little cap right here, and there are two 10mm bolts. We're going to use our gear wrench to loosen and remove those. Going to reach down and pop that cover off. And you see the control valve sitting right here. And then grab that unit. You might have to use a small screwdriver. You might be able to use a small pick, but we're going to use our screwdriver here and just kind of pry that out. Now there is a spring on the end of it right here. Now right around the perimeter here, you can see there's a green O-ring. We're going to use a small pick. We want to be careful doing this, but we want to go ahead and pull that O-ring out. And we'll go down and just clean that surface where the O-ring was seated. With that clean and clear, we're going to install our new O-ring. We want to swap over the spring from the old control valve. So we're just going to pull that off. Going to pop it onto the new one. It seats fully all the way around the perimeter here. Let's go ahead and install our new unit. Lower our control valve down and into place. With that in place, we can go ahead and install our cover. We want to be careful not to knock the O-ring out when we're doing this. So I put the lower bolt through the cover first and then put the cover in place, and I'm just threading the lower bolt in as far as I can by hand and get the upper bolt in. And with that in place, let's go ahead and use our gear wrench and get that snug down into place. And once those bolts bottom out, just snug them down gently. They don't have to be super tight. I'm going to do that for the upper one as well. And once those are bottomed out and snug, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.